Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, and if it's not, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I am going to share with you how I updated my kitchen table to match my bench that I just finished. So let's get started. I just finished created this beautiful bench for storage and seating area in the corner of my kitchen. My kitchen is very small and this table was way too dark to fit the rest of the look that I'm going for. So I decided to tackle this and beautify it. The first thing I have to do is try to take this table apart. It has a very big and bulky base on it, and it's attached very well and it's very heavy, so I'll do my best. Part of the base wouldn't come off, and I'm just taking my circular sander with 120 grit sandpaper and sand the whole thing. I'm missing a part of the video where I actually was sanding, but I sanded with the grain as much as I could, and this is how it turned out so far. I'm giving the table a good wipe to get rid of all the dust, and once I'm done with that, I am going to take my primer and prime the base of this table. I'm using the bin primer for this project. This is a very good primer and it seals very good to the project, so that's why I'm using this one, and I'm just using a brush in the areas that I can't get in with a roller. I didn't have any furniture paint on hand like melamine or something like that, so I just decided to use what I have on hand, and this color is called A Bit of Sugar, and I'm going to apply 3 coats, allowing to dry very well in between each coat. Rosie is supervising, making sure that I'm doing a good job. This is what it looks like with 2 coats of paint, and I'm going to put another one on. Now I'm giving the tabletop a very, very good wash to get rid of all any residue, dust, etc., and then letting it dry very well. I just noticed that I have a little bit of paint on the edges of the table here, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that a sanding, get rid of it, and then wipe the dust off before I can protect this table. I'm using the hard wax oil for this project. It's made by Interbuild, and the instructions are very easy. So simply apply it with a brush, let it set for a few minutes, and then wipe it off with a rag. I started by just pouring some of this wax on the top of the table and spread it with the brush, but I changed my mind very quickly as this sets very quick and I was afraid that it was going to be uneven. So I decided to put the wax in a container and it worked a lot better. I'm using an old cotton t-shirt to wipe off the excess of oil, and it works very, very well. I can't believe the tones of this color and how rich looking the wood has become. It's just absolutely beautiful. I was hoping that I would get some really nice rich tone out of this oil, and that's exactly what it did. The only thing with this oil is that you will have to repeat this process every once in a while to reprotect the table, and I'm quite fine with that. And this oil is actually food safe. You can use this on your cutting boards and etc. So that is a really good product to use in the kitchen. And here is the finished product. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box down below, what you think of this transformation. I am absolutely in love with the new look of this table. I'm so glad I tackled this project. Thank you so much for watching, folks. If you liked this video, please give me the big thumbs up. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel and you like what you see, well, today is a perfect day to join Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. Until next time, folks, you have yourself a wonderful day.